just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did a good thing.
Hey, what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. We are trying viral Starbucks TikTok drinks today, and I'm so excited. Whether or not you've seen me before, I'm an ex-Starbucks barista, and I've posted so many Starbucks videos in the past. And nothing excites me more than discovering new recipes, and so I had to put these viral Starbucks TikTok drinks to the test. That was a mouthful, and you should give this video a thumbs up just because of that sentence. I do want to give a little bit of a disclaimer. As a previous Starbucks barista, I had no problem making these really fun orders if the customer was really clear and concise, because then it's easy for me to make the order and then also relay the information over to the person on bar if I wasn't making the drink. If you're going to order anything really funky and fun, just be really patient and clear with your order. And speaking of fun things, let's just get into it, okay? We've got a lot of stuff to talk about. We're gonna start with the hot one. This is a dirty vanilla chai. It's literally a grande chai tea latte with vanilla bean powder. I don't know why I never heard of this before. Okay, it's good, but it literally just tastes like a chai. So I would save your money and your calories and not ask for the extra vanilla bean. But if you wanted extra vanilla, just get sugar-free vanilla syrup. Next one seemed so interesting. Here it is. This is a grande iced green tea lemonade, and you ask for cold foam on top, and in the cold foam, you ask for pumps of peach. So it ends up being like a peaches and cream green tea lemonade. Oh my god, the flavor. That is so good. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. This is like the perfect, like, it's kind of like a creamsicle. It is so beyond words. I don't ever order iced teas or anything. I mean, I should, obviously. This is so good. You guys need to try this. Like, this is amazing. I would order that on a hot summer day. Time for this next strawberry acai refresher remix of sorts. This is a grande strawberry acai lemonade, double blended with no water. So it's just like lots of lemonade and lots of acai base. There aren't any inclusions in here. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be. Whoa. Okay, I know exactly what this tastes like. You know those popsicles? They're strawberry popsicles, but it actually has like chunks of real strawberry in them. That is literally this. It is really sweet though. If you're looking for something fun for summer, that's great. Why am I talking about summer as if it's like not January right now? Anyway, I'm using the same straw. Last but not least, this is like apple pie. This is a grande apple juice that is double blended with cinnamon dolce syrup, whipped cream, and caramel. I'm really nervous to try this because I think it's just gonna be straight sugar. Wow, that is really good. I would never be able to order this. Actually, you know what you could do is instead of it just being straight apple juice, you could have it be like a cream frappuccino and then add apple juice and cinnamon dolce. I worked there and I don't know how to pronounce it, so please let me know. Oh my god, this is so good. This is like too good. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Gosh, these were all really good. I think the slam dunk would be this tea because this is just something that I have never tried before. It's just really refreshing. I think that peach foam just hits the spot. If you guys want to see me do a part 2, let me know in the comments. And if there are any drinks in particular you wanted me to test, leave them down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye!